Hello and welcome back. We have had another package arrive from our friends at Estes. Tag sent me an email and said, hey, keep your eyes on the post. Something's coming your way. It's something quite large. This is a big box, so let's open it up and see what we've got from our friends at Estes. Looks like more packaging supplies. Well, first off, there's a t-shirt. Oh, the SLS. Look at that. That is spectacular. Thank you very much. We will put that to good use. We've got the Estes Athena. The Athena is one of the beginner rockets. I believe this is, fully assembled. So all you got to do is put a motor and an igniter in it, and away you go. You may have to attach the parachute. I'm not certain. This is going to be great for a video that we've got coming up. Thank you for the Athena. This will fly on C motors, 18 millimeter. We've also got this lovely Tandem X flying model rocket launch set. So this has two rockets in it. Looks like they both fly on 18 millimeter motors, so 1100 feet on a C or 600 feet on a C. This one's probably much larger and heavier. This is beginner to intermediate. One of these rockets I think is minimal assembly, and one of them is traditional assembly, where you have to sand the wood and glue it and paint it and all that. I believe this also comes with a launch pad and a launch controller for to launch these. This would be great for a low power model rocket tier. Give you everything that you need in this box other than engines to fly the rocket. This will also be used in an upcoming video that we have planned. We've got another box here. And this box has a display stand. That's awesome. We have one of these. It'll be great to get another one. It's a nice little frame for your rocket. Looks like there's enough in here for 3 stands. So we get 3 stands for our rockets. Great for display. Keeps them separate so they're not laying on each other and crushed if you got them out in the garage like some people I know. We've also got in this box some motors. Looks like some B44 motors and some C65. So we will use these motors in these rockets. And these come with everything you need: the motor, the igniter, and the plug. So if you have these, all you need is a rocket, and if you have a rocket, all you need is these. If you have these with that tandem kit, then you've got everything you need for a day's launch. Looks like there's one last package in here, and this, is it a body tube? No, it's a poster. Oh, that is awesome. Estes Space Shuttle. So we have our vehicle assembly basement downstairs. We're going to hang this on the wall as inspiration for our model rocket building. Everyone over at Estes has been so great. We are so appreciative of all of this cool stuff they've sent us. We're going to use them in upcoming videos. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can get more information on when we post these videos, and you will see these rockets a-flying before long. I just want to let everyone know that we have an affiliate link with Estes. If you choose to purchase these rockets, if you use the code or the link I'll put in the description, then you will get a discount, and it also helps Estes know that you found it through us, which means they'll send us more stuff. So everyone, thank you so much. Thank you, Estes, and look forward to seeing these rockets fly very soon.